Hey, you guys, it is 2024, and I want to make sure that you're starting out this year right. If you do not check your credit on a consistent basis, you guys, at least 3 to 5 times a month, you guys, I want you to start taking advantage of checking your credit report. If you do not have a reliable source, as far as a credit monitoring service, and I'm not talking about Credit Karma or Credit Sesame or Credit Wise, I'm talking about true credit monitoring service that shows you all three credit reports who have identity theft protection as such as insurance, and also that's able to tell you how to pay down your credit cards and credit cards that you need to pay on, you guys. So if it does not offer that, you guys, I recommend you to click the link in my bio. Go get your credit report for $1. You guys, test it out and see how you like it. And if you do like it, you guys, keep the credit monitoring service active and you start using it each and every month. Okay. Better yet, you can do it every week if you want to. But it does give you a copy of your credit report from all three credit bureaus every 30 days. And it also helps you pay down your credit cards, you guys. And it's also a money management. So if you're trying to budget and trying to save, you guys, this will help you. So click the link in my bio and start your dollar trial